Hello, I'm David Chaston with 989, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of deflationary pressures building in China. But first, American job openings surged to a record high in April and small business confidence rose in May. There are now high expectations of a Fed rate hike soon, and markets are adjusting to the realizations. In Europe, HSBC has announced huge new cutbacks. The British bank plans to shed over 25,000 full-time jobs over 2 years and another 25,000 by selling units in Brazil and Turkey, while increasing their investments in Asia. But there is no mention of cuts in New Zealand. It is a big climb down for one of the world's biggest banks. And banks may soon be required to hold more capital following updates the BIS announced yesterday. They're concerned about the risks inherent when banks lend large in times of low interest rates. When rates rise, the risks of such lending books rise too. In Australia, house borrowing commitments continue to swell. And earlier this morning, the OECD issued its latest survey of the New Zealand economy, which was generally positive. In China, their consumer inflation eased in May to 1.2%, which is almost its lowest in 15 years, while producer prices fell for the 38th straight month by 4.6%, raising real concerns about growing and embedded deflationary pressures as their economy cools. Back in New York, US Treasury 10-year benchmark yields are back up again today by 4 basis points to 2.42%. Also up are US oil markets by another $2 a barrel, with US benchmark price now at $60 a barrel and Brent crude at $65 a barrel. The gold price is also up by $4 to $1,177 an ounce. However, this morning the New Zealand dollar is pretty much unchanged, currently at 71.4 US cents, 93 Aussie cents and 63.2 Euro cents. The TWI is at 75.4. I'm David Chaston. That was 989, brought to you by interest.co.nz.